Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a purse unboxing video. So over the moon excited about this. I hope you guys are too. So maybe for those of you who do not know, I am a huge purse junkie. I absolutely love purses. Some of my all-time favorite things. They are a passion of mine. They are something that I could literally spend hours researching, looking, shopping. This bag in particular is not a Michael Kors. It's not a designer bag. It is a very unique bag. It is a bag from Killstar. I have purchased from Killstar before. They have some of the coolest like alternative clothes, accessories, purses, shoes, you name it, they have it, anything alternative, and I really do like alternative things. You're probably looking at me going, why do you have so much pink on? Well, that is the theme of this bag. This bag is a beautiful bubblegum pink color, and I decided to kind of match the aesthetic of the bag today. We have the eyeshadow, we have the earrings, we have the necklace, the top, everything. So we are gonna unbox this bag together. This bag I actually did not purchase myself. My sister actually got it for me, and there is like a whole inside joke with this bag between me and my sister, and I will explain it more once we get into it. But yeah, I got this bag. It came yesterday. I'm sitting down, I'm filming, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna talk about it. I have this box right here, which the bag is inside. I am so excited about it. I do actually already have a bag that looks just like this, but it is a different color. I am definitely that person. If I like something, I like to have it in multiple colors, whether that be purses, shoes, you know, whatever the case may be. So we are going to open up this bad lad together and get my first reactions. I have only ever seen it online, and I was like scrolling online and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I have to have this bag in this color. I already have it, like I said, but this color is just like superior. I'm so excited about it. So let's go ahead and take my scissors. I'm just gonna cut the top of it here. Hopefully I don't slice the bag. All right, so I got the box open and you can see the bag right here. Oh my god. So it just comes in this little plastic wrapping here, and I have the receipt. In total, this bag was $69.95. So let's go ahead and open this up. I am so excited. I absolutely love this bag. Oh my god. All right, so here's this one. You can kind of already see it through the packaging, and for those of you who have been subscribed to my channel for at least the last 3 years, then this bag might look familiar to you because I did unbox the last one that I got. But the bag that I got from Killstar is... dun, 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 dun. So here is the bag. Oh my gosh, this color is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my god, it is so pretty. And we have the little pink tassel right here. So I'm just gonna take the little plastic off. Here's what the little pink tassel looks like all unwrapped. And then to open this bag, it's really cool because you literally open the top of it like this, kind of like you're accessing the brain and whatnot. Ever since I saw this bag on Killstar, it's been like one of my favorite bags I've ever seen. It is so freaking cool. Yes! Oh my god, yes, yes, yes! The inside here, this is what it looks like on the inside. It just says Killstar. Oh my god, that is so cute! It has the little "We Are the Weirdos" right on the inside. So if you guys remember from about 3-ish years ago, I actually purchased the black one, and I have used this bag a couple of times. I wouldn't say it's like a good everyday bag. Oh my gosh, I got pink eyeshadow all over this. Jeez. It's not really practical for like an everyday bag, but it's definitely one of those bags where like if you're going out or if you just want like a statement piece, this is the bag that just freaking nails it. So I got the black one, and then I had to get the new bubblegum pink one. Ooh, Jesus Christ, skulls everywhere. I had to get the little bubblegum pink one. Oh my god. Look how cute they are. I am obsessed. And the one thing I will say right off the bat, and I messaged Killstar about this, but I actually never heard back from them. But when you buy this bag, you're supposed to get 2 different types of handles with it. You're supposed to get the long one so you can wear it like a crossbody like this one, or you can get a short one which you can use as like a handbag, elbow bag, whatever you want to call it. But when I got the black one, it only came with this long strap. It didn't come with the little handle strap, which is the strap I prefer over the long one, and this one didn't come with it. So I don't know if the black one doesn't come with the shorter one. I don't really know, but my one complaint about this bag is I wish I had the shorter handle with it, because that's just what I prefer. And when I opened up the pink one just now, it came with both of the handles. So we have the little short one, which I'm so excited about, and we have the long crossbody one. I don't know if there's a way I can possibly order the shorter handle. If any of you out there know if I can get this shorter handle for the black Gravedigger bag, let me know down in the comments. That is the name of this bag. This is the Gravedigger Skull handbag. I honestly think I like the pink one way more than the black one. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh, I am totally going to be wearing this out once we are allowed to go out into the world again. Look how freaking cute this is. Now this bag is a one size bag. It doesn't come in like large, medium, small. It is just this one generic size. And you know, for a bag this size, it does have quite a bit of room in there. I don't know how well you guys can see that on camera. I don't know if you can hear, but it is definitely a durable bag. It is hard, it's not soft, really, really good quality. I absolutely love the little pink handle. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. I really wish I had this handle for the black one. So please, 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 anyone who is a Killstar, you know, aficionado, can I get this handle for the black one? Did they make a mistake not sending me the black one? And to zip it up, it has little zippers in the back here, and each of the zippers say Killstar on them, as you can see right here. And this is the same with the black one too. The zippers are a little bit hard, so if you need to get in and out of this really quickly, it is gonna take you a minute because the zippers are just really big and kind of hard to zip up. But once it's zipped, like, nothing's coming out of this guy. All the detailing in the top of the skull and just all the way around, it literally looks like a real anatomically correct skull. This thing is so much fun, so cool. So the inside joke that I have with this bag is when I was, oh my gosh, I don't even know how old I was, and I might have talked about this in the unboxing for the black one, but years ago, like I said, I don't even remember how old I was, but I saw when Killstar came out with this bag, which I'm not sure when that was, but when they came out with this bag, I loved it. I was obsessed with it. I had it bookmarked. I had it added into my cart. I was obsessed with it for so long. And I remember my birthday was coming up and my sister was like, hey, like, what do you want for your birthday? And I showed her, I was like, oh my, I really, really want this bag. I was like, okay, like, I'll see what I can do. And, you know, I never ended up getting this bag for my birthday, which is fine. And, you know, we just kind of forgot about it. But literally, every other birthday since then, every time she asked me like, oh, what do you want for your birthday? Even if I did or didn't want it, I would always send her a picture of this bag and be like, I want this bag for my birthday. And it just became like kind of a running joke in our family because she always said she was gonna get me this bag and then never did. And then obviously I took the plunge and purchased the black one for myself. And I remember when I got this bag, I sent a message to my sister and I was like, hey, like I finally got the bag for my birthday, thanks. Like, we're not like mean about it to each other, it's just like funny, it's a joke. So like every birthday she'll be like, oh, what do you want for your birthday? And I'm like, the Killstar Gravedigger bag. And then we were talking about, with everything going on with like the quarantine and finances and things like that, I was like, oh, I really wish I could just buy something fun. And my sister was like, well, what do you want? And I was like, oh, this is funny. And I sent her a picture of the new bubblegum bag and I was like, I want this bag. And she was like, okay, I'll get it for you. And I wasn't sure if she was like serious about it, but when she sent me like the confirmation and she was like, I got you the bag finally, and it is finally here. So we can finally say my sister finally got me this bag after years of asking for it. That is my new bag, and I'm pretty sure she got this on sale because I think this bag is originally $80 and it was on sale for $55, and with shipping and everything it came to $69. $69.95. So she did get a really good deal on this. I'm pretty sure it is still available on their site. I have the boyfriend, and now the boyfriend has the girlfriend. Look how cute! Oh, look, there's the kid! There's the kid! That is everything that I have for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this purse unboxing video. If you want to see more, there is definitely more coming. Make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you want to see some more purse unboxing videos, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future ones. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel. Love you guys so much, but until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!